Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can save, download images or download videos on X. So for the video one, you do need to have like the premium X feature. But for photos, you can just select the photo that you want to save, right click and save image as. For videos, sometimes you can download them if you're premium. So select the video settings here and you are just going to select download video. I don't have X Premium, but it says to upgrade to X Premium if you want to download the videos. But that's pretty much how you can download videos and photos on X. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!